Here I have my iPhone Go, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on that device by using different methods. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to get access to IMEI number just by using a secret code. Let's activate the phone's dialer and let's use this code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this. So now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using settings. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here I have settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Afterwards, here you need to choose status, the second option, and here you've got access to serial number. You can also choose IMEI information and read the IMEI info on the screen. That's it. Now let me show you how to get access to IMEI and serial by using the back cover. So let's open the back cover by using a down right cavity right here. Let's do it step by step. Now you have access to your battery. Let's remove your battery, and under the battery you've got the following information about the IMEI and serial. That's it. Let's put back the battery, close the back cover protection, and simply press power key to switch on the myPhone Go. The device is switching on. Let's just wait a few seconds. Excellent, let's unlock the screen and now you may use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.